So first of all, take out your appraisal book sheet booklet. This one. All of you take out your appraisal sheet booklet. And open page number 43. Okay. Appraisal sheet number 2, parts of my body. So first of all, write down date here. Okay. What is the date of today? Twenty-seven. 7/21. So you all know your body parts now. So first question is, how many fingers do you have? Show me with your fingers. How many fingers do you have? Show. Yes. How many? How many fingers do you have? 10 fingers. Okay. Write down everyone 10 here. 10 fingers. In legs, there are 10 toes. Okay. We have 10 fingers and 10 toes. The second one is, what part do you see? With what part do you see? With the help of your nose? Isn't it? Yes or no? With the help of your nose, you can see. No one give the answers. No. Yes. With the help of our eyes, we can see. First letter Write in capital. With the help of eyes, we can see. Yes? The next one is, with what part do you run? With the help of which body parts do you run? Or which body parts help you in running? What is the answer? The answer is your legs. With the help of your legs, you can run. What does our nose do for us? With the help of our nose, what we can do? Can we eat with the help of our nose? Or smell? What is the answer? What is the answer? What does our nose do for us? Help us to smell. Help us to smell. Write down everyone fast. Done, everyone? Okay, the next question is, what write two activities where you use both your hands and feet? Okay. With the help of our hands and feet, both, not one. Okay. So, with the help of our hand and feet, we can, what we can do? What we can do? With the help of our hands and feet, we can jump. If you jump, you You use your both hand and feet. And the second one is to skip or skip. Yes, with the help of your hand and feet, you can jump and skip. These are the two activities where you use both your hand and feet. The next question is write T for each true statement and F for each false statement. Then question number 1 is humans have 2 eyes. Is it true or false? We have 2 eyes or 3 or 1? How many eyes we have? Show me with your fingers how many eyes we have. Show me. Show me with your fingers how many eyes you have. Yes, good. Very good. Are you seeing? Yes. So, this statement is true. So, we can write T here. The next one is our tongue can detect 5 different senses. This one is true or false? Who can tell me? Is it correct? Our tongue can detect 5 different senses? Yes? No. This one is false. If here is written, our tongue can detect different taste, then after this statement is correct. But here is written 5 different senses. So this one is false. Our tongue can detect different tastes, not senses. So write down here. F. Okay. Our tongue can detect different tastes, not senses. Third one, our ears help us to smell. Yes, this one is true. है ना? Our ear help us to smell, na? Yes or no? No, this one is false. Our ear help us to hear. Okay. So write down everyone. F. We use our hands and legs to do many activities. Is it correct? Yes. We use our hand and legs to do many activities. This one is true. We can do so many things with the help of our hand and legs. The next one is we have skin only on our face. We have skin only on our face. Is it correct? No. We have skin all over our body. So this one is false. Write down here F. We have skin only on our face. This statement is false because we have skin all over our body, not only face. The last one is a watch is worn on the wrist. Worn means पहनना. A watch is worn on the wrist. Is we worn watch on our wrist? Yes. Show me with your thumb. Ma'am is waiting. Yes. All know this one. है ना? You all have watches? So write down here true. T. Write down everyone. Okay. So the next one is fill in the blanks with correct words. Here is given some words. See here. Mouth, skin, nose, hands, ears. Okay. So you can choose one correct option for each of them. First question is, we use dash to clap, write, throw and pick. What we can use? What we can use? for clapping, writing, throwing, picking. What you can use? Show me. Yes, good beta. Yes, very good. You all know. Yes, you all are very smart boys. So write down here. What we can write? Hands. Here all letters are in small. Okay. Because we are filling this gap. When we start this sentence, first letter is should be capital. But in between the sentence, all letters should be small. So we use hands to clap, write, throw, and pick. Okay. The next question is, we use dash to chew the food. What we use for chewing the food? Show me what we use. We use our teeth to chew the food. But here is given mouth, not teeth. So we can write here, we use mouth to chew the food. Because teeth कहाँ होता है? Inside the mouth. So we can write here mouth. We use mouth to chew the food. We use our mouth to chew the food. The next one is, we have two ear or two hand. We use hand here in first question. So here we can write ears. We have 2 ears. Yes, you all have 2 ears. Show me your ears. बेटा इधर ड्राइंग नहीं करना है, मैम आपको ड्राइंग के लिए देंगे. ओके. Don't do this. We have 2 ears. We have 2 ears. The next one is, we have dash all over our body. We have dash all over the body. Parts pare. Don't do this, beta. Concentrate in your study. आर्यन, मैम को ना सबका नाम पता चल रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहे हैं. We have dash all over the body. We have skin all over the body. Okay, the last one is help. Dash help us to smell. Dash help us to smell. What help us to smell? The option is nose. See, here nose is the starting word. So, and you write N in capital and the rest alphabet in small. Nose helps us to smell. Okay. Write down everyone. Do it fast. This is your homework. D and E is your homework. Right here, HW. Right here, date and HW. Date 27/7/21 and here HW. Okay. What is the question? Label the following body parts. Here name is already given and here you should write the name of the body parts. Okay. And in last question, match the following. Match the following. Match the name with their body parts. Okay. See, arm, nose, thumb, ear, foot. D and E is your homework. Show me with your thumb. Yes? Write down everyone. Okay. So time is up. Bye bye everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.